Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back again. I want to really appreciate every one of you that has been supporting me on this channel. God bless you. The new subscribers, you're welcome, and my old subscribers, I owe you a lot. God bless you. So today I'm back with another video. This is Unripe Plaintain Moi Moi. This recipe came to me, as a result of my children not eating unripe plantain, and you know that this unripe plantain is rich, very very rich in iron. So anytime I cook it, they kept on saying, "Mommy, I don't really like it, we don't really like it." They only like ripe plantain that is fried, and also the chips. But we really need our children to eat what we are eating. We can't just only be eating it alone. So I try to see a way to get it done so that every one of us will be eating it. So I remember those days when my grandma used to do the ripe one, we call it ukbogede. So I now said, if she can do that, let me just try this one. So since I tried this one, guys, it was so fabulous. In fact, delicious. Italian said delicioso. So it was very very nice, very very nice. So I want to show you and share with you, especially we that have kids. I recommend this recipe for our kids. Sometimes we cook plantain, porridge. We will put a lot of things. Like me, I will cook it very well. I'll use fish, all kinds of fish. I'll use all kinds of ingredients, to make it okay for us to eat. But the children said, no, we don't like it. They preferred yam porridge than this plantain porridge, unripe one. And now, this unripe one is the real plantain. That ripe one is just the sweetness of it. But this one is the real iron we are talking about. This one is more nutritious. So I started by, doing this. You can see the way I remove the back of this plantain. Many of us don't know how to do it, and it's so easy. That is why I showed you. So I started by cutting it in a little form for it to be blended. So I cut it very little so that it will allow me to blend very well. Mothers, please try to give your children also this. I don't know, please, if you are the same person like me, that your children don't like this unripe plantain, anytime you cook it in porridge, just let me know so that I will know I'm not only one in this case. So please let me know. I try as much as possible for them to eat it along with us whenever I cook it. But no. Sometimes they will say, let me test. They will test and say, I'm okay. They will not eat it as, after that they will look for something they will eat. But since I started like this, oh my God. The day I made this, they were, they love moi moi. And there is no different. Try it. Just follow the step I use. Yes, you can use more ingredients for that, but the way I did it is for for our kids to eat it, our children to eat it. Sometimes they don't like the onions be seen, they don't like the pepper and everything. So many of them, they will keep on removing it. But if you just do it the way I do it now, you can see that your children will be eating nutritious food with you. Most of us, when we are eating it, we and our husband will just stay one side and be eating, and they will be eating another thing. No, it's good for them also to take nutritious food. Okay, so this is the red bell pepper. I also use paprika. You can see the ingredients when I was showing it. I was talking when I was showing you, but you can as well use any other. But if you follow this the way I did it, your children will love it. There is no different at all, no different from beans moi moi with this one. So we like a fried plantain, ripe one, but I'm telling you guys, it only adds sugar to your body and carbohydrates. It doesn't so much do anything. But this unripe one is a real deal. Real nutrients that we needed in our body. I blended every one of them. Every one of them. Grind it. Please, when you're blending your plantain, please don't add too much water. You can see how thick my own was, so don't add too much water. I added crayfish. I washed my crayfish. Yes, I selected it to remove the ones I don't like. Then I washed it because there's a lot of sand in some of the crayfish. So I blended all. Also, you be careful in adding water while blending your red bell pepper so that the moi moi will come out very fine and thick. You can see that all of them are natural. There is no added flour, added this one. No, everything here is natural. So this is my egg. You can cook your egg, you can boil your egg and add, but I just want to make it plain so that whenever they are eating, nobody will be complaining or saying what is inside. It was just like beans moi moi. My grandmother used to do the ripe one. Yes, and it's very sweet, very, very sweet. But this one is unripe one. Try it, guys, try it. And very easy to make. Yeah, you can see my red bell pepper is thick as well. Try to turn it well so that all the ingredients will marry themselves. Okay, in English they say marinate. Okay, let them marry themselves anyhow. Okay, it's done mixing. This is my red oil. I want to get that taste, that native taste. So you can add granite oil, you can add your any kind of oil, but I use this red oil. Guys, you see, I've not added any salt because I'm using aromats in this. I'm using aromat, and most of us that are using aromat, you can testify there is a lot of salt inside. So I only use this. It contains salt. So I tested it and it was okay. No need of adding any other salt. So you might use any other stock cube, grinded one, or you can melt your stock cube and pour inside. Just because I don't want it to be too much watery, so I just use this aromat. Okay, turn very well, turn very well. So my plate for the cooking is ready. I add it with oil so that it will not stick. You can use any kind of oil you want. You can even use butter for it not to stick after cooking. This is a plate I normally use for my moi moi. It's very easy. don't have. So it's just exactly the way we cook our moi moi beans moi moi. Allow the water to boil, then you add the moi moi, allow it to cook, cover it well. Actually, I needed big pots for all of them to enter, but I don't want to showcase this my big pot here. Gigantic pot. So I cook it for 2 times. Yes, I cook it 2 times. Yes, later I use foil paper to cover the pot for it to get steam very well. So I didn't do that one on camera, I did it off camera. So it's done. It's done. It's done, guys. You need to do this. Yes, you remember plantain is very nice. Unripe plantain. It's very good. You know, all these carbohydrates is too much now. We eat this out everything. So for us to eat well on other nutrients, we do it. Sometimes it's me self, I'm tired of chewing sometimes. So this one now make it easy for me to eat it very, very well, the way I love it. So guys, if you're watching up to this period, I don't know what you're still waiting for. If not subscribed, subscribe, hit that red button. Yes, so click on the bell icon, hit it, so that anytime I upload new video, you will be informed. Thanks for watching, my people. God bless you. Like, comment and subscribe, and share also to your family. God bless you.